Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is really difficult at the moment to watch. It's painful because we see a lot of choppy overlapping structures and it's just literally just waiting for a fifth wave to the upside. If we get it, if we get it. And it takes a break though above the, well, first of all, above the descending trend line here to suggest we might get a fifth wave to the upside. And then obviously a break above that last high at 53.7 cents to confirm it. Quick explanation for anybody who's really new to Elliott wave. What we need to see, obviously, well, you see that the chart and the ADA price has been in a correction basically since early December. Yeah, beginning middle of December. And it's been trending down and buying pressure is coming back slowly. But to really confirm that a low is in place here and that the low or the price is bottomed on the 23rd of January, we, from an Elliott wave point of view, need to see 5-wave patterns. Basically, they are the next setup. The price is already reversing from our larger yellow support area that is relevant for all of wave 4. Okay, so what we typically say is, okay, such a wave 4 correction can, let's say, develop different patterns, different shapes, different levels of complexity. But overall, yeah, we would like to see a reversal from somewhere in this red box. So someone who's just doing longer term swing trading, I mean, just focus on the box here between 34.5 cents to 50.8 cents. But a lot of people are interested in the day-to-day movements, also the microstructures on smaller time frames. And for everybody who is, we're tracking the microstructures and are basically watching for the first clues that indeed the correction is already over and the next move up has started, which would be a fifth wave, ideally into the region between 85 and 96 cents as per previous updates. I can really only confirm that this fourth wave bottomed here on the 23rd of January once I see the first 5-wave pattern. So a 5-wave pattern is, as per Elliott wave always, the first indication that a trend is changing, let's say, back to the upside from this corrective downtrend back into the uptrend, which is unfolding. And yeah, at the moment, we only see a 3-wave move. So in yellow is what I would need to see, and that's a 5-wave pattern, 1, 2, 3, a deep wave 4 and 5. The price also reacted to our micro support area here between 51.7 cents and 48.7. It's an area I communicated to you, I think a couple of days ago. And it's here the golden ratio 61.8 retracement level that really triggered a response and triggered a reversal here with a break above that 53.7 cent level. It is confirmed that we get 5 waves. Why is that so important? Well, until I get 5 waves, it could easily still break down, very easily still break down. And with only 3 waves up, I can very much justify a bearish perspective. So A, B, C, and then we break down from there. Absolutely possible, really unclear probabilities on the microstructure. That's sometimes easily the case. It happens very often that, you know, the microstructures are rather unclear. First of all, the count needs to reveal itself or the chart needs to reveal its true intentions. But why is that important? Well, because if we get 5 waves, then I've got a signal. Well, that's not the signal that we have 5 waves. No, it's the signal that the trend is up and that we likely bottomed here in wave 4. I can then work with those 5 waves. I call that another wave 1 of the next uptrend. And I will add a support area for the 3-wave pullback, which should follow a 5-wave move. 5 waves up indicate that a 3-wave pullback should follow and is due. It will often end in the region of the previous wave 4 of the lower degree. That would be around 48 cents, 48.7 maybe. And then we can call that a wave 2. And I can add a support area for that, as I did in large for the main wave 4. But this one would be much smaller, so allows for a much tighter stop loss. Yeah, you know, maybe more aggressive positions, even though I have to say the quality of this move isn't great. It's not an impulse to the upside. It's just some kind of a murky diagonal pattern, yeah. But yeah, that's basically what I'm watching for. So I think if we get a wave 2 afterwards, it might land in the region around 48, 49 cents. There's also some previous support here, resistance. So it seems to be sort of the area. But again, until I get those 5 waves, I cannot really calculate that pullback zone. So that's essentially what I'm watching. The price tries to react to our support area and tries to break out of this descending wedge pattern, but it hasn't done it yet. So that's sort of what I'm watching for today. In case there is another low, I'm watching the area around 44 cents first for relevant support, and then 40.8 cents, 39. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.